Hi everybody, I'm Brooke Parkhurst, and today we're talking about springing into a healthier you. My tip for a healthier you is learning your way around the kitchen, even if that means just learning about your spice cabinet. You're your number one tool. So when you learn about how to spice up your food, how to make it more healthful, how to make it more flavorful, you're going to stick to your new healthier diet. Another tool I have here, which I'm totally in love with, I love the innovative technology, is Sharp's superheated steam countertop oven. The technology is truly amazing. You're combining steam heat with regular radiated heat, so dinner is on the table in minutes. You can see here that I created this delicious salmon fillet, crispy brown on the top, juicy, flavorful in the middle. Once again, it's ready so quickly because of this new Sharp technology. At the same time, I can make vegetables in here. I can even make toast. On one of my cheat days, I could even do a frozen pizza in here, and it's ready in a minute. No defrosting required and no preheating. Something else that could be tricky about this time of year is the amount of time that we're on the go. How do you become a healthy on-the-go eater? Now, we have Noodles & Company. So what they do is they create noodle dishes inspired by worldly flavors. And they just launched zucchini noodles. And they're the first fast casual nationwide chain to do this. So with our healthier lifestyle, we're learning to make great substitutions. I sub in the zucchini noodles, or the zoodles, which they spiralize in-house daily, for the pasta. And when I do that, I'm cutting back on 90% of the calories and 90% of the carbs. Here we have the amazing zucchini romesco, and we have the Thai green curry with shrimp. Really flavorful, really satisfying, and the noodles are vegan and gluten-free, so a great all-around choice. Finally, something for snacking, something I can pop in my purse. I'm loving Fiber One Brownie Bites as my amazing guilt-free indulgence. They're prepackaged, I can watch how much I'm eating. They're only 130 calories, 5 grams of added fiber, which I love adding that to my diet, and less than 10 grams of sugar. So I've satisfied my sweet tooth, I don't feel any guilt, and I'm on the road to healthier, better eating this spring. For these tips, tricks, and more, you guys can go to betterstuffforlife.com.